So the second policy, this is a second part 2 video. So in this we are discussing family health optima. This is a purely a family floater policy, only for a family floater. Maximum 2 adults, 3 children, that is 5 people will be insured in this policy. This is a entry level family floater policy. This is not a ultimate policy in star. This is a entry level. So again, this again has some disadvantages. So in this policy I suggest you to take above 5 lakhs only, because 3 lakhs 4 lakhs and all, there will be lot of questions and lot of terms and conditions. Anything about 5 lakhs only, it's a good policy we can call. So let's say in this policy there will be same like Mediclassic Gold itself, 24 months, that is 2 years waiting for certain diseases, certain surgeries, and 4 years waiting period for certain pre-existing diseases. All pre-existing diseases, certain, you should not use the word certain, all pre-existing diseases, 4 years waiting period. See that pre-existing diseases, that can be postponable. I'm telling something like kidney stone, hernia, piles, everything can be postponed. So those kind of diseases has 4 years waiting period. Note it down, 4 years waiting period and 2 years waiting period for certain diseases. Same diseases only, piles, hernia, all those things. So let's say you got a piles this year and you've taken a policy. Let's say last month you have taken a policy, this month you got a piles. After 2 years you are trying to claim that surgery, you will get it. You will definitely get it. Let's say you had a piles or a fistula or a kidney stone before taking a policy, and you are trying to claim after 2 years, your claim will be rejected. As I told in the first video, if you are intelligent, the company claim the Star Health Insurance or any insurance in India, they will be 100% more intelligent than you. Don't act very smart in front of a health insurance companies, because for your money they have to run their business also, and they have to genuinely serve people also. So next, so what is the advantages in this Star Health Optima? So the price is very affordable, we can scale in India. It will be like most affordable. Let's say I'll take one policy for 2 adults, 1 children. 1C means 1 children, 2 adults. So I'll take this policy, let's say 16 days to, so this, can you see this, 16 days to 35 years. They have not mentioned that one. 16 days to 35 years, it is 10,000 rupees for 3 lakhs policy. Anyhow, we will not take 3 lakhs, minimum 5 lakhs I recommend for everyone. So 12,738 rupees for 2 adults, 1 baby. And one more condition in that baby is, the baby cannot be more than 25 years. Some people say my son is 26 years, 25 years bordering, can we do it? No, don't take a chance. If your children are less than somewhere near 20 or 24 के नीचे है तो apply कर दो. Else better you take one separate policy for your son or a daughter. Anyone exceeding 23 or 24, better you take a separate policy for them. Don't mix it up in a health or a family floater. Only small kid, small baby up to 23, 24 years you can get one family floater, something like this. If your son is bordering the age, better you take a separate policy. Any person who is more than 25 years is not called as a child, and he cannot come inside a family floater. He has to take a separate Mediclassic or comprehensive policy individually. So in this, can you see the premiums? So in this, all this, so we are in Bangalore, right? So you can see the Bangalore rates. These are all the rates. To 1 adult, 3 children, 1 adult, 2 children, everything you can see it here itself. Prices with including GST, everything is given here. Don't see this rest of India, just see this one for 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees. So I recommend, if you have 2 adults, 1 children, you take at least 5 lakh rupees. That is a minimum I'm telling. So you always think of taking higher end policy, 10 lakhs or 15 lakhs, because now medical expenses are become very costly. A small surgery also, it will cost you 1.5, small surgery. and you know the COVID, something like COVID, it will cost you like a 10-15 days kind of admission. They will charge you around 8 to 10 lakhs just for a COVID. You can just imagine how costly this medical field is evolving. That's the reason always take a higher end policy. Don't think of 3,000 I'll save if I take this one, 2,000 I will save. This 2,000, 3,000, whatever you are saying, later you have to pay 100 times more. So think 100 times and take a better policy. Make sure that that policy is adequate for your family. So always take a expert advice. So don't be like, I want only 3 lakhs. Yeah, it's enough. Why should I take that much? Why should I spend? If you don't spend now year in health insurance, later you will spend it in a hospital. Keep this in mind. Because if you take a lower end policy, there will be room rent capping, there will be those things, these things, and that thing will not be covered, this thing will not be covered. Why you want to take a risk? Instead of saving that 3,000, you spend that 3,000, 5,000 will somewhere you will get per annum. I'm speaking. Yearly that 5,000, 3,000, somewhere you will get it, somewhere you will lose it. Don't think about more about that 1,000, 2,000 and all. So if you want to safeguard your family members, you have to definitely pay some money. So this is all about family health optima. So in this family health optima, no claim bonus will be 25% on the first year, and next following years that will be 10% no claim bonus will be added. Whereas in comprehensive policy, that is our topmost policy, there will be no claim bonus of 50%. See, what is this no claim bonus? Let's say you have taken a policy of 5 lakhs this year. Next year, this full year you didn't claim anything. So if you didn't claim anything, so next year they'll give you 5 lakhs plus 25% of 5 lakhs. That is how much it is? 1,25,000. Total next year you can claim up to 6,25,000. This is the meaning of no claim bonus. That whatever you didn't claim, that will get added and up to double the sum assured. 5 lakhs if you take a policy, let's say for 6-7 years you didn't claim anything. So maximum you can claim is 10 lakhs. That is double the sum assured you can claim that. This one, maximum no claim bonus can accumulate is only 100% of the sum assured. So apart from this, one most biggest disadvantage in this policy is, let's say you have taken 5 lakh rupees policy, and again that 5 lakhs rupees got exhausted. Restore benefit will be like another 5 lakhs will come. Nothing to worry. If 5 lakhs get exhausted, another 5 lakhs will come. But you cannot take that restore benefit for a same person, same illness. This is the biggest disadvantage in this policy. Let's say someone has some illness and he has claimed it for 5 lakhs. Again he got admitted for the same illness. He cannot claim it. So even though there is a restore benefit, you cannot take it. Why? Question is, a cheaper policy. Why? This is cheaper. Definitely there will be checkmates for you. This is one of the biggest checkmate in this policy. So note these points. Later don't argue with agent, or later don't fight with anyone or a Star Health Insurance company. You go to Supreme Court, High Court, whatever, wherever you go, they will only win, because you are the person, you are not read the policy documents. You are the person, it's your fault. Since you are not read the policy and taken a policy, and if you sue Star Health Insurance, they will not do anything. It's your fault. That's the reason, read the policy details 10 times or 20 times, or ask the agent, be behind the agent. So some people will take online. So definitely you are blindly taking a policy. The consequences will be faced later. So at least in agency, the agent will shout at you, tell the things, and he will make you understand the policy. So whereas in online, who will tell you? And what is the other things are covered in this, like, so domiciliary something. So in home only treatment has to be taken, it will be covered. So again, so for eye surgery only 40,000, that is limit. There will be capping 40,000 per annum. That is the maximum claim you can do per annum, because this policy is an entry level policy for a family floater. So some people, everything they will hide this one, and they will give this policy. Once the claim comes, that will not be covered, this will not be covered, and they will shout at the agent and the company. So they will say this is everything is fraud. If there is a fraud, why this is the biggest company in India? Why health insurance is booming like that? So it's a business for them, it's a help for you, or whatever the benefit, it's an insurance for you. So let us move on to the next product.